Gikundi giki ari kimwe kiria kirathurimaga mihango ya ithurano kuma githurano kia mweri wa 8 kiugite ni kirathite ceceni-ini cia wikia wa kura itanyihire 90 guthurima maundu na mitaratara yothe ya wikia wa kura kana irari na uigirereki.
Observers noted that all party agents who were present at the counts consented and signed the results before the Form 34A was transmitted electronically to the constituency tally center, and a copy was posted outside the station by the presiding officers. The mission also noted the negative impact of the poor weather conditions on the polling process.
Oho gikundi giki kiugite form cia 34B iria marathurimire itirari na utiganu na iria mararorire mwena wa Bomas.
The electronic transmission of Forms 34B from these centers was successful. Furthermore, through the visit of its IT experts to the National Tally Center, the mission verified that the transmitted Forms 34B from the constituency tally centers visited by AU observers matched with the data at the National Tally Center.
Gikundi giki kiugite gitire na uigirereki wa gutuithania uteti uria ucacite bururi-ini.
It's not a mathematical issue, it's a political question. It's a political decision that has to be taken, and we'll have to discuss that as observers whether we are empowered to make such political assessments.
Kuringana na gikundi gia guthurima mihango ya ithurano ngwataniro-ini ya mabũrũri ma Afrika kiugite makinya maria mothe mararumireire githurano gia gucokero kirari kia mana waragania. Nayo ngwataniro ya makanitha NCCK ni roria thirikari itikire kwaraniria na aria marahotirwo githurano-ini kia president.
If NASA thought that was a good idea in their proposal, they are also Kenyan. It's actually possible that they had an insight. But this is beyond NASA and Jubilee. This is a mechanism of Kenya dealing with its issues.
Ikinya riri moigite nirio ringirehe thayu bururi-ini undu umwe na kunina ukabira.
It's an acknowledgement and recognition that part of the toxicity and anger that characterizes most of Kenyan life around elections is because of a sense of exclusivity by a majority of the communities in Kenya, and the feeling that people are left out of the national process as communities.
Maroria bunge igie na ndereti ya kugathika mitaratara ya guthondeka gatiba ringi niguo uria wahoto akaheo kanya thirikari-ini.
Now, if we acknowledge that and recognize it as a nation, we must ask, how shall we deal with that sense of exclusion unless, as a nation, we own up to the problem and come around the table? And this is something that can be done in Parliament without much fanfare, and create additional positions in the executive that are constitutional, that can be part of the mix.
Ona kuri uguo ni maroria a Kenya kuhimbiria thayu na gwithemana na gututhura ngui. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.